The first way that you can make her wife material, happy king, happy kingdom. Now, the common misconception is happy wife, happy life. That's not realistic. A woman's happiness is fluid. It's always moving. It's a moving target. A man's happiness is a constant, meaning if we get the same things over and over, that's all we need to be happy. Okay? So instead of focusing on her happiness, which will always move, make her focus on your happiness. How do you do that? Make her earn everything that you give her. So she's always working towards making sure that you are good. And that is one of the main things you want a wife to think. Think of you. Think of how you would feel. Think about your temperament whenever she does something. That is the way for the woman to become empathetic. Because most women today are not empathetic. They're sympathetic. Oh, that sucks. Not empathetic. As in, what can I do to fix this?